everyone, welcome to the channel. So I love the old kind of tech that was back in the 90s, especially these kind of MP3 players that keep popping up on my Pinterest feed. So today I decided to make my own MP3 player from scratch. At first, I did some experimentation with the OLED screen using UAG2 library to write the legendary Hello World. Okay, so I had this idea for the MP3 screen that I would have some opening screen, a menu to select a song from, and then a screen to show that a song is being played. I mainly used Canva for designing all of these designs for my MP3 and then converted them into C++ by using a tool called image to CPP. All you had to do was upload the pictures and get the code. I simply first tested the DF Mini module with the Arduino and a speaker at first, connecting the RX and DX pins and then adding some songs to just test out how it works. I simply later added 3 buttons to control the menu, one to go up, second to go down, and the third to select a song from the menu. I also added a potentiometer to adjust volume from 0 to 30, and finally writing the whole code, adding the libraries. This is how it works.
Okay, then down, this is for going up. Okay, so let's say I'm going to select night changes. This is the select button, and then you can see this light indicates that it's turned up. I can also adjust it with this potentiometer. This is the full.